Hello iPhone 13 users, Apple just released iOS 26.4.1. But the big question is, did Apple actually fixes the problems from 26.4 or make things worse? Let's update right now and check real users' feedback. Like and subscribe to my channel for more real update tests. Let's begin. Alright, iOS 26.4.1 is downloading on my iPhone 13. This is a smaller update. Usually these updates focuses on bug fixes and security improvements. So, what's new in iOS 26.4.1? It fixes bugs from the previous version. It improves your device stability, and obviously some minor performance tweaks will be available and latest security patches. So don't expect any new big features. This is just a refinement. Now let's talk about what users are saying after installing iOS 26.4.1. From early reports, the positive feedbacks are many users say performance feels smoother. Some reports better battery stability compared with 26.4 and lesser bugs. Some users are calling it more stable than 26.4 overall. But not everything is perfect. There are few negative feedbacks too. Some users are reporting battery drain, which is not quite uncommon. Then many people are saying there is no noticeable improvement, which is also true, and there are few bugs which still exist. So the common opinion is it's better, but it's not perfect. So, but you must have one thing in your mind, that is right after update battery drain is normal due to the background processing. So don't judge the performance of any iOS update immediately. Alright, my phone's update will start installing in a few moments, and please ensure that your phone have enough free storage and battery. I will talk about the real performance after a few days. I think I must end this video right now. So, should you update your phone to iPhone 13? Yes, if you want better stability than 26.4, if you want latest bug fixes and overall improved user experience. But you can wait if you are already satisfied with 26.4 and sensitive to small bugs. Overall, in my opinion, what I have learned from the internet and Reddit, iOS 26.4.1 is a safe and recommended update. So if you update your iPhone already, please comment your experience below and don't forget to like and subscribe to Galaxy Station.